Managing IT costs can feel overwhelming, especially when pricing structures seem unclear. Did you know the global managed services market is projected to hit $372.6 billion by 2028? That shows just how critical these services are for businesses looking to streamline operations and grow efficiently. As Hitesh Patel, CEO of WPG Consulting, says, "Clear and predictable pricing is essential for businesses to plan and thrive in today's market." There are several key pricing models to consider when choosing a managed service provider. Flat fee models offer predictable monthly costs, perfect for businesses seeking budget consistency. Hourly rate pricing provides flexibility, but can quickly add up for those with frequent IT needs. Tiered service plans bundle offerings like basic monitoring or premium features such as cybersecurity and compliance, while per-device or per-user pricing scales with your operations. For highly specific needs, customized agreements offer tailored solutions, though they require careful planning. Ultimately, understanding these models helps you make better decisions and align IT services with your goals. With transparent pricing and tailored solutions, you can ensure your IT investments drive real value. Want to dive deeper? Read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this episode to your Spotify playlist for more helpful tips.